Okay, check it out. This is Skip's 1972 280 SEL. Pretty nice car. Okay, we've done hood pad, injectors, distributor, power steering pump, bunch of things make the engine run right. Done a bunch of interior work, and I just want you guys to check it out because it's a really nice car. .280 SEL. It's in really good condition. So here's what I did today was the central locking. And if anybody knows, vacuum central locking in these old cars can take all day. It took all day, but I'm really happy. Let's see if it still works. Okay, there we go. Perfect. So here's the inside. And this was the bellow that was bad. After a little bit of diagnosis, it's pretty clean. Okay, so I got a comment from one of my subscribers and good friend, the Angry Pool Man, who's also my Mercedes-Benz customer, that I don't do enough talkie videos. They're all slideshows. So here's a good eye candy for you guys that like the old classic Mercedes. Have a good day.